Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to loop on GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can use, you can find the audio recorder, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with looping tracks in GarageBand. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the recording menu. You can open up any of the instruments you want. I'm just going to open up the audio recorder. It all works the same. And it's going to open up this recording menu where we can get started recording our track. And now we want to open up the track that we want to loop. So go to the track right here option for editing in the upper left corner, which is going to open up this mixing mode, where we can find all the tracks that we have, as you can see right here. So here are our tracks. Now let's say we want to loop this track right here. This is what we have to do. Basically guys, what you want to do is go ahead and click on your track that you want to loop, and as you can see, this is now going to open up an array of options, a menu, and one of the options is going to be called the loop. So guys, if you want to loop your track, all you have to do is click the loop button, and as you can see, this is now going to create a loop that's going to enable you to loop it as much as you want until you get your desired track. If you want to unloop it, just go ahead and trim it and bring it back to normal. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.